Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from PBI2 class and we are from group 2. That our members are Eva Wulandari, Iza Nisa, Mibza Pagarayu. And in this video, we would like to record to fulfill our assignment of the LE subject on meeting 12 about scoring writing text by using rubric. The first presenter is Iza Nisa and my student number is 18 20 20 50 60. We continue the next slide that talk about the rubric. What is rubric? Rubric is a scoring tool that lists the criteria for a piece of work and helping to define quality in writing tasks. As we know, writing test is subjective test. That means there is no correct or incorrect answer for scoring. So therefore, we use rubric for scoring the task. In this case, we adapt rubric by Brown 2007. There are 5 aspects from Brown. First is aspect is content, that consists of topic and details. The second aspect is organization, consists of identification and description. The third aspect is about the grammar, consists of the tenses. The fourth aspect is talk about the using exact word and word forms, and the fifth aspect consists of spelling, punctuation, and capitalization. And the next we talk about writing scale. What is the purpose of writing scale? Is to help teacher to understand what a progression looks like in writing student. This is the writing scale. There is a band, and band is the score. Beside the band also there is a description of each band from 1 or 0 until 9. This means after scoring by using rubric, the final score, we can see the scale or the description of writing of our student by using writing scale. It means if there is the final score is 8, this means our student writing is very good. Okay, the next slide we'll talk about the scoring paragraph, that I have already scored the paragraph. And I have scored this paragraph by using rubric of Brown 2007. And I would like to see you the first aspect of the rubric is content. For the content, I give a 4, but the score is this paragraph because the topic of this paragraph is clear, and the details are relating to the topic. For the second aspect is organization, I give 4 for the scoring because the identification of paragraph is complete and description of paragraph arranged with proper connective piece. And the third aspect of this rubric is grammar. I give a 3 because there is a free grammatical or agreement occurrence but not effect on the meaning. As you can see, I have already put the paragraph on the pink box, and I have already wrote some mistake that I have numbered for showing some mistake on each sentence. For the number 3, for sentence is the day in a question, comma was. You don't have to put comma after to be. So I think there is some mistake for the grammar. And the second for the grammar is we add br or not. I think you don't have to put r for after adverb because it's not clear. And the fourth aspect is vocabulary. I give 4 because it's this paragraph using the effective choice of words and word forms. And the last aspect is mechanic. I give it 2 because this paragraph there is an occasional error of punctuation of comma. As you can see again, for in the pink box there is a number 5 of each sentence. For sentence I over you, my siren's apologies, you have to put comma between you and my because there is a two sentence. You have to put comma to conjunct the two sentences. And the second mistake is after of the train and have been. You don't have to put comma after train because there is a word and. And the third mistake on this paragraph is I'm sure you will appreciate. There are two sentences that you have to put comma in order to make it clear. After giving all the score based on the aspect, you have to put all of them by using the formula that I given in the PPT. You can see you have to times the score by the formula and then divide in 40, and final score is 8,75. That means that the writing scale for the band is 8. That means very good at writing. So the skill or scale of writing in this student is a good writer or very nearly at full competence level. And we can conclude that this paragraph for scale or band is 8. Okay, I think that's all that I could tell you for the time being. Thank you very much for your good attention. I'm sorry for many mistakes in my video, and the next slide will be explained by my friends.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mirza Pagarayu. I will assess the second text, which is level 8. Okay, this is a text that I have scored by using rubric of Brown. Okay, the first aspect of the rubric is content. I give 4 for the score because the topic is complete and clear and the details are relating to the topic. For the second is organization. I give 3 for the score because its identification is almost complete and descriptions are arranged with almost proper connectives. In the third, it's grammar. I give 3 for the score because few grammatical or agreement inaccuracies but not affect on a meaning. Fourth is vocabulary. I give 3 because view misuse of vocabularies, word form, but not change the meaning. For the last, it's machinist. I give 4 because it uses correct spelling, punctuations, and capitalizations. After give it all the score based on the aspect, I put the score in a formula that you see in the screen. And the final score is 8,6. It's mean the text in band 8. So the skills of writing is very good writer, very nearly at full competence level. Okay, I think that's all from me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Here there is a ladder, so I will assess this text, which is a level 5. Okay, I have 4 assessments here. For first, content; second, organization; third, grammar; fourth, vocabulary; fifth, mechanics. For the content, I give 4 for the score, because the topic is complete, clear, and the details are relating to the topic. Organization, I give 4. Why? Because the identification is complete and the description arranged with proper connectives. For the grammar, I give 3, because few grammatical or agreement inaccuracies but not effect on meaning. Vocabulary, I give 3, because few miss of vocabularies, word forms, but not change the meaning. And the last one, mechanics, I give 2, because it has occasional error of punctuation of comma. Yeah, and this is band 8. Very good writer, very nearly at full competence level. Okay, next. Level 4. This is band 5, modest writer. Although broadly conveying the message, the structure and the flow of the work is somewhat lacking in coherence. Little use of effective idioms and suitable cohesive device. The work has some errors in usage, spelling and handwriting not always. I will explain my content. For the content, I give 3, because the topic is complete and clear, but the details are almost relating to the topics. For the organization, I give 2, because identification is not complete and description are arranged with few misses of connectives. For grammar, I also give 2, because numerical so I give 2. For I also give 2, because limited range confusing words and word forms, so I give 2. And the last one, mechanics, I give 2. It has a frequent error of spelling, punctuation, and of course capitalization. So this is band 5. As I told you before, this is band 5, because although modest writer, although broadly conveying the message, the structure and the flow of the work is somewhat lacking in coherence. Little use of effective idiom or suitable cohesive devices. The work has some errors in usage, spelling, handwriting, not always perfect. Yeah, I think that's all for today. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.